Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wished you could build your own AI powered Telegram bot but thought it required coding knowledge, guess what? Today I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional AI powered Telegram bot from scratch. And the best part, you won't have to write a single line of code. By the end of this video, you will have your own Telegram bot that talks back intelligently using AI. And I promise you will be amazed at how simple this is. Stick around till the end because I'll not only show you to build it step by step, but we'll also test the bot in each step so you can see it in action.
Step 1. Creating and connecting the Telegram bot. Alright, let's start with Telegram. To build any bot in Telegram, you first need a way to connect it to Telegram. And for that, we use BotFather.
So here's the deal. Open Telegram, search for botfather and type / in the message section and select new bot. Botfather will ask you for a name. Give it any custom name. I will type in SOS Telegram bot. Next, it will ask for username. This one must end with bot. Let me type in same here, SOS Telegram bot. It says this username is already taken. So guys, make sure to keep this username unique. Let me try this new username, SOS Telegram AI bot, and click enter. Yes, this worked. Now, botfather generates an access token. Think of this as your bot's passport. Without it, the bot cannot exist. Copy that token because in a moment we'll plug it into N8N.
Quick reminder, don't share your access token publicly. Anyone with that can control your bot.
Step 2. Setting up the workflow in N8N. Now, let's head into N8N, the no-code automation tool that makes all of this possible. Inside your N8N dashboard, click Create New Workflow. First, we have to add a trigger node. Just click on plus icon and search for Telegram. And in triggers, choose on message.
This tells N8N, hey, whenever someone sends a message to my Telegram bot, wake up and run this entire workflow.
Which we are going to build in a couple of minutes. But wait, we need to connect it. So, in credentials, click on create new credential, paste in that access token from botfather, hit save and wait for the success message. Once we have received the success message,
let's test it. Click on test step.
Now go back to your Telegram and click on the bot link given by the botfather to open your bot and type a quick hi message. Now, if you see a message appear in N8N, congratulations, your bot is officially listening.
Stay with me because in just a minute, we are going to give this bot a brain powered by AI.
Step 3. Adding the AI agent node. Alright, listening is good, but what makes a bot really powerful is its ability to think and respond smartly. That's where the AI agent node comes in. Add a new node by clicking on the plus icon, search for AI and select AI agent. For now, just click on back to canvas. Now the AI agent node needs a language model behind it. For this, we are using OpenRouter, which gives access to tons of free and paid AI models. To add it, just click on plus icon and search for OpenRouter and select it. In the credentials to connect with, if you have already connected OpenRouter before, just select your account. If not, simply click on create new credential. Here, you will be asked for the API key. To get one, go to openrouter.ai. If you are visiting this tool for the first time, hit sign up and follow the on-screen steps. If you already have an account, like I do, just click on account menu in the top right corner and click on keys. Now, to generate a new API key, click on create API key and fill in the name. Credit limit field is an optional one, so for now, we'll leave it empty and click on create. Copy the API key, paste it into N8N and save. After getting the success message, just close the tab. Now, for the model, select DeepSeek Chat v3. It's completely free and works better for chat responses. After doing all these steps carefully, just click on back to canvas. Now we have to click on the AI agent node to open its configuration panel. In source for prompt tab, select define below. And in prompt section, just drag and drop the user message from the Telegram trigger node. What this does is simple. Whenever a user types something in Telegram, their exact message gets passed to the AI for processing.
Now, stick with me because in the next step, we'll connect the dots and send the AI's response right back to the Telegram, making the bot feel alive.
Step 4, sending the AI's reply back to Telegram. So far, we have Telegram listening to messages, AI agent processing them. Now, let's complete the loop. Add another Telegram node to send the text messages to the user. Click on plus icon, search for Telegram, and select it. In the action section, scroll down and select send a text message. In this node, select the same credentials as before in the credentials to connect tab. Also, check if the resource tab has a value message and the operation tab as the value send message. In chat ID, drag the chat ID from the trigger node. This makes sure we reply to the right person. In the text, drag the output from the AI agent node. Click execute step and send an AI generated response to your bot in Telegram. And there it is, an instant AI powered response right inside Telegram. Let's quickly test our bot end to end. Head back to Telegram, type a message, and hit send. And instantly you will see the AI read your message, process it, and reply back with a smart response. Isn't that amazing? So let's recap what we just built together. Our bot listens to user messages in Telegram. The messages get passed to an AI agent for processing, and the AI's reply is sent back instantly to the same chat. That's a fully functional AI Telegram bot built in just a few minutes with zero coding. Now imagine the possibilities: customer support, personal productivity bots, even educational chatbots. All of that is within your reach now.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll push no code automation even further. Until then, keep building, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating.